Finally, we have the JavaScript assignment operators. We've got really just kind of two types of operators here. We've got assignment, and then we have an assignment that's paired with another operator that actually does a modification. So I'm going to show you how the regular assignment works because we've already been using it. It won't take very long. And then I'm going to show you the addition assignment, which is interesting also. So if I want to show you the assignment operator, I really kind of already have. Okay. Here at the beginning, when I say let a equals 10, okay, when I print that a equals 10, now if I want to, later on in my script, I can say a now equals 20, and now a equals 20. It's essentially taking this value and putting it in that variable. And then remember, that's the single equal sign. If it's a double equal sign, then I'm asking, is a equal to the 20? And if it's a triple, it's the strict version, and it says, is a exactly equal to 20? Not similarly equal. Okay, but this is the assignment operator. Now, if I define a up here, and I say a is equal to 10 when I start, if I want to change the value of a by adding or subtracting a number to it, I could say a is equal to a plus 20, which means we're going to take a, which is 10, we're going to add 20 to it, and then we're going to put it back into that container, which is now means a equals 30. So when it prints, it will say a equals 30. However, there's an easier way to do this, and that is what we call the addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division, modulus, exponentiation. Now, you know what these operators are, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and so on. But when we use them as assignment operators, it works like this. So I will say a plus equals 20. What that means is you're going to take a and you're going to add 20 to it. So if I save that, I still get a value of 30. If I add 3 to it, I get 13 because a started out as 10, I added 3, and then I print it out. So that works for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, works for the modulus, and it works for exponentiation. Okay, so all of those are possible assignment operators, and they all work in a very similar way. They just take whatever's in this variable and they add, subtract, multiply, divide, raise to the power of whatever this number is. By the way, that could be a variable also. If I say a plus equals b, then the answer is 19 because I'm taking b and I'm adding it into what's already in a. So it works that way too.